Okay, you salty little freaks. You freaks! This is a van. What is it? It is interesting to me. It probably won't be interesting to you. But this is the earliest pre-pro I have ever seen. Check this out. This van was built in 8 of 13. So August of 13, knowing that the van went on sale in June of 14, when I bought mine, this is the oldest van. This thing was built before they knew what the hell they were doing. And as we've discussed, the pre-pro vans, the vans built before the official introduction in June of 14, tend to be the ones that just go forever. Now, I don't have any history on this van. It is quite low miles for that age, 110. It's had, I put a flex plate in it. It's had a transmission. I don't know what's going to, it's in very good shape underneath. It's kind of surprising how virginal it is. And I realized that. And this looks like we got one code. Looks like we got an O2 sensor heater high. But anyway, I don't know why I wanted to show it to you. I get excited. I don't expect you to be as interested in this as me. 8 of 13, August. Pre-pro. Read it and weep. Nice. My app, ProMaster phone app, custom ProMaster phone app, it'll make you happy. Buy my app, buy my goddamn app, buy this freaking